The Bible says, he who fights a wife fights a good thing. And I say, he who fights a home fights a good life. This is what you get when you decide to spend 28 million Kenya shillings on a home. Today we are in Ruiru, and this home has been done on a 50 by 100 lot of land. This home is a 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom mansion with a plinth area of 380 meter squared. From the entrance, you can see there is good combination of greenery and stonework. You are getting these planters that have been done very well. The gate is massive and big for your cars. You are getting a high level perimeter wall with a razor wire and an electric fence. And when you come inside, you see you are getting these strips of light just to make sure that this mansion is super beautiful. Last week, I met with Bob, and he was just from the US, and he told me, Mr. Mungai, I want you to see a piece of land that I bought and I love it. It is red soil and it is a gem. I want you to see it. So I was accompanied by my friend and we went to see the land. And to our surprise, the land was not red soil. It was just backfilled with red soil, but underground there, it was full of cotton. And there, Bob realized, I have been conned. Do not be like Bob. Don't get conned. Make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection with us. Right now, we are in the parking area of this unit, and it is big enough to fit a 6-car convoy, which can be distributed on this side and on this other side. On the far end, you have your employee quarters. You have an outside laundry area, and you have your kitchen garden over there. I'll show you that later. On this other side, you have the front yard that is joining to a small garden over there, which is full of spinach. You will see that. From there, you can see that this space has been done very well. It would act as a very, very good resting area, and it is adding the aeration to this environment. You can see we are getting a good distribution of mangoes and oranges, and on this side you have a set of spinach rolls to make sure that you are healthy. Stop eating meat every day. You are not a carnivore. I'll take you inside. But before we do, I need to show you something. As you can see from there, the facade of this unit is spectacularly beautiful. Everything has been done very well. I like the combination and blend of all the colors. You are getting this stone finishing that has been done very well. The cladding and the craftsmanship of everything has been joined perfectly well by professionals. And this is one of the reasons the developer is asking for 28 million Kenya shillings. Another reason is that this is a gated estate, and we are just 150 meters from the tarmac. And it is a very good tarmac and a developed area in Ruiru. So make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment if you want to purchase this gem. When a unit has been done very well, it makes me very inspired. Let's talk about this living room. From there, you can see that you are getting 5 big windows for maximum natural light. The selling point of this living room is this window that starts from here all the way to the rooftop to make sure that the living room is highly isolated. Secondly, you are getting this side of the living room with a double volume, and at the center you are getting a masterpiece of a chandelier done very well. The combination of the night lighting in this living room, the craftsmanship of these gypsum ceilings is showing that the developer spent a bit of time working on this. This was really well thought of and very well executed. This is the focal point of the living room, and this is where you are supposed to do your electronics. From there, you can agree with me that the massiveness of this living room is something that really deserved to be bought with a lot of money. And if that is not enough, the developer made sure that every metal that was used in this unit has been powder coated, so you do not expect to have any rust any time of your life. On this other side, the living room is opening to the dining area, and it is a massive space. You can see me walking in it, so it tells you that this is a 12-seater dining space. On this other side, you have a massive and a well-crafted breakfast table. On the other side, next to the window, you have this vanity that has been prepared for you to wash your hands before you jump into the food that will be served over here. Before I show you the kitchen, you are getting a center light over here. You have some directional lights over the breakfast table, and also make sure you be checking the gypsum ceilings and how the developer has worked on them. A good kitchen is the center of a home, and this is the room that unites everyone, either during the morning hours or during the evening hours, because everyone is hungry and they want to have something for their stomach. From there, you can agree with me that this kitchen is massive, from here all the way to this other edge, and it comes fully fitted. You are getting some drawers over there for your cutlery and your crockery, a good combination of lower and upper cabinetry. This is the cooking space which comes with a 5-burner cooktop. A heat extractor is becoming a must these days, and I just put it on. Just give me a sec. Yes, that way. On my far front, you have a double sink, and it comes with one big sink and a small sink. I don't know the variation, and I don't know why the sinks are not of equal size. So if you know that, make sure you comment below. This door is taking you to the kitchen garden and the employee quarters, also the laundry area. We will see that in a few. This is a massive pantry that has been partitioned very well, and it is utilizing all the space under the stairs. You can also do your refrigerator here if you don't like it in the kitchen. The kitchen comes with a beautiful back porch. That's where you have your kitchen garden and where you are supposed to do your clotheslines area. This is the laundry area. Next to it, you have your external washroom or the external toilet. And here is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters. From the kitchen, we land at the center of this level, and we have a common washroom on my far left. That is the guest bedroom, and you have a staircase that is taking you to the upper level. From there, you can agree with me that the guest bathroom has been done very well. It comes with a vanity at the center, and you have a WC that comes with a combination of a bidet spare. The guest bedroom is the only bedroom on this level. It is the tiniest, though it has been done very well. I like the size of the closets, their floor to ceiling, a massive window for maximum natural light. You are also getting a good combination of some side lights and a center light. And as I mentioned, the closet has been done very well and partitioned perfectly. This bedroom comes with its bathroom over here, which comes with a small vanity at the center, a WC on my right hand side, and a showering area on my left hand side. That bathroom is adopting a similar concept to all the other bathrooms that we will see in this unit. If there is one thing I love about this unit, is how the tile work has been done. The developer was very specific on how he wanted this unit to be. The staircase is wide enough for 3 people to pass each other easily, and this is where we tell you, if you want to watch the shorter version of this video, make sure you check out our TikTok or our Instagram, and the pictures and more details of this unit and many more units in this area will be in our website, africanrealestate.com. Again, africanrealestate.com. This is the first bedroom. Next to it, you have the primary bedroom. We have a family room on this level, and the third bedroom on this level is here too. So I'm begging you not to get bored as I'm taking you through all the shenanigans of bedrooms. It's a lot of bedrooms. And if you are going to spend 28 million, you have to see all of them. So bear with me. From what I was told by the developer, the first bedroom was targeting the tiny small kids, and that's why you can see it comes with the smallest closet. Though the partitioning has been done very well, it is only suitable for a 5x6 bed, or when squeezed, maybe it can fit a 6x6 bed. It comes with its bathroom over here, and the fittings have been done very well. Behind the door, you have your towel holders. On this other side, you have your soap holders. A vanity is at the center, and it comes with a combination of a toothbrush holder. And on my far front, you have your WC, a tissue holder, and you're also getting a rain shower. Let's see the other one. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you are getting this small foyer, and it introduces you to the primary bathroom and the sleeping space. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it would easily fit 2 people. A shower cubicle will be added here on request. You are getting 2 towel holders, and all the other fixtures have been done very well. This bedroom is a highlight of this unit, and it should impress you to feel comfortable enough to purchase such a unit. And what I love about it is the number of closets that you are getting. Yes, I understand that it is missing a walk-in closet, but having a closet set that starts from here all the way to this other end, I would say that this is more than enough for you and your partner. If that is not enough, you are also getting a dresser at the center. From the look of things, this is the sleeping space, and it has been denoted by the pattern that has been done on the gypsum ceilings. You are getting enough windows to give you a morning good natural light, and this bedroom comes with a big balcony that is giving you a very good view to the front of this unit. From here you can witness the expansiveness of this estate, and I would tell you it is very fresh, very calm, and very family friendly. On this level, we still have the family room, which we are going to see in a sec, and this is the common washroom on this level. That means that when you have guests in the family room, they do not need to peep into the bedrooms for their short calls. They have to use this one. As I mentioned, this unit comes with 7 bathrooms. Yeah, that's a lot of bathrooms. Just get in. This is the family room. It has been done very well. What is making it very beautiful is the view of the chandelier that you're getting from here. It is very lit, it feels very airy, and it would be a perfect space for your family to interact. This is the last bedroom on this level, and it is the second biggest. Just come in. I'm loving it that it has been opened, and so from there you'll be able to see the partitioning and the finishing of this closet. You are getting some good spaces here for the foldable clothes, a set of 2 drawers for your socks, tiny garments, your panties, or anything else which is tiny, and you have some spaces for the hangable and foldable clothes. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it is a duplicate to what we saw in the other bedrooms. The staircase is landing us to the upper level of this unit, and before we see the roof deck, this level comes with the 5th bedroom on my left hand side and an office on my right hand side. The office can also be used as a study if maybe you have children in school, and it comes with a small balcony over here which is facing the rear side of this unit. The bedroom on this level is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the 4th bedroom that is just below us, and it comes with its closet on my far left and its bathroom on my far right. Everything is similar in terms of finishing and size. On this level, you are also getting this terrace done very well, and this is the space that you would use when you are having some parties or when you want to do ambuzi. This space also comes with an external chimney, which would be very essential, especially when you are doing these parties in the cold seasons. The unit also comes with 10,000 liter tanks for your supply of water. If you would want to add more, you just need to tell that to the developer, and it will be done like this. Now that you have seen the massiveness of this mansion, do you think it's worth the 28 million Kenya shillings that the developer is asking for? If not, how much are you willing to offer to purchase such a unit? Just make sure you tell us in the comment section below, and if you would want to purchase this unit right now, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today. This is Mungai Kihara. The channel is African Real Estate, and we are happy to serve you.